need to be tilted like a little bit that way, one of the feet.
I think it's fine. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I did a makeup video.
Whoa,
I think the last person I did makeup on was you. That I posted, yeah.
That was like when we just met.
Yeah.
Years ago.
So I thought, why not do it again? Yeah, we're just going out for drinks at a rooftop bar here in Brisbane, so I thought I'd do Riley's makeup.
It's good for me. Whoa.
That's all professional.
I'm gonna think.
Okay, so, I'm gonna use this that I bought from Mecca last week. It's really, really nice.
It's anti-aging.
Yeah, apparently, what did that say on the packaging? 98% of women said that they looked younger or something like that.
Whoa.
So I was like,
it must have like hyaluronic acid and stuff then,
maybe, but it's really nice. I might do makeup again.
Yeah.
Can you imagine?
That's fun. I'll be your assistant.
I can just be your personal makeup artist.
Yeah, surely.
Actually, I brought some James Cosmetics eye masks just to give you the full experience. That's nice.
Whoa, it's like practicing for my wedding day. Not even engaged. Yeah.
Look up.
Oh, remember when I did your makeup?
Yeah, that was fun.
That was funny. I was good. I used to do my friend's makeup for $20 so I could afford drinks on the nights out.
That was my starting price. It's
Was
$25 with lashes. And I used fake MAC foundation that I bought from AliExpress.
No.
Yeah, I'm gonna use the Brow Code Brow Soap.
Is this good?
You don't use this, do you?
I use Refine.
Yeah, I feel like it gets real clumpy. You know, like this, it gets like real soapy. Like, look at that.
Oh, whoa.
Yeah.
That's good. There's no bits.
No.
Yeah, mine gets all my foundation in it.
You just need to clean it.
I do each time.
Oh.
But I think because I've already done my foundation, you know, I brush it in.
Yeah. I'm just gonna prime. I'm using the Tarte Ultra Creamy.
I haven't used that.
It's really good. I don't like the normal Tarte concealer.
Shape tape.
Yeah, no. Okay, I'm gonna use Riley's palette because I forgot to bring an eyeshadow palette.
It's quite good though. It's got like all your basics.
Fernando's Curvas.
Fernando,
Silk
do you know
Morocco.
him? He's a makeup artist.
Yeah, I've heard of him. Yeah. Okay, so close. Close. Yeah. Smoke it out.
The brush is a bit sharp.
You can't talk about sharp brushes, dude. Yours are hard. When's the last time you washed your brushes?
No, outside. I might buy new ones. You know, just like a nice fresh set.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you probably have some for me.
Alright.
I'm doing sneak
That's my
peeks.
pet hack.
Is it?
Yeah.
Every time you walk away me?
Yeah, well that's why when I was doing makeup the mirror was behind and every time I'd like
Look
move away.
With it. What's this? It's this. Where's the phone?
Yeah, the
it's
phone.
the phone.
Yeah.
Looking
Yeah,
in the phone. Me.
No, I had this chick that was real bad. I had a mirror.
She had a mirror?
Yeah, because she was just really pedantic.
No. But surely like you can't tell what it's going to be like until the end because there's so many processes.
I'm using the, just keep your eyes closed, Lounge Face Lash Mascara.
Is it the Los Curtis one?
Yeah. It's quite good. Okay, just keep closed because those will end up in the eyelid. Okay, so recently I have been,
Oh no.
just try it. If you don't like it,
She's trying to stick the lashes.
yeah, like mine are underneath. Wait, let me. So I've stuck mine under my lash line. So you can't even see them.
Yeah, you can't see them. It looks good. I've seen people that do it
It's
on
comfortable.
TikTok, but I
It's
feel like I'll
comfortable.
feel it.
You won't.
Now
If you can
people
feel it, you've put it on wrong.
Okay.
That's just with putting lashes on in general. If you shouldn't be able to feel it. What, do you think all these people that do it are just in pain? Walking around in pain?
I don't know. People wear high heels all the time. That's pain.
No.
Whoa!
Can you feel it?
No, like it's not itching me. It's just like the normal, like, you know, a lash is there, but like it's not.
But it shouldn't be like poking you or anything. Fine?
Yeah. That one's better. Whoa.
Thoughts?
Yeah.
It's
good.
Fix your lash though. It's a bit comfy, but just like.
Yeah. Oh wait, this one's.
Which one?
Like,
Going down.
you just have to wait for it to dry.
Oh shit! It's fully come out. So.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna use the Flawless Filter by Charlotte Tilbury as like a primer. You don't have this, do you?
No, I got the foundation. Smells like barley.
What? Barley?
Not the foundation, just like in general. Can you smell something that smells like barley?
No. Maybe the food. Do you not tan your face? It's all white. Okay, foundation. I'm gonna go in with the beautiful skin. Hopefully this matches you.
Well, I've got my one there too.
What colour did you get?
Probably the same as you. I'm pretty sure I just called you and you told me what one to
Oh
get.
yeah, true. This is shade 7 Neutral.
Yeah, that's what I've got. Sometimes it doesn't match, but then once I've done like all the concealer and stuff, it's fine. Oh, that's soft.
Yeah. I don't even remember what brand it is. It's like...
Oh, it's a ball.
Yeah. It is quite nice.
Whoa. Did you use it on you? No. On the test. Do you still use that boing?
Yeah.
Whoa.
They sent it to me recently. And, you know, when you just like forget about products you used to love like years ago and then you use them again, you're like why did I stop using it? Very nice. How's the lashes?
Yeah, they're good.
Are they fine?
Yep.
I'm using the Laura Mercier translucent.
This would have to be like one of the OG best products, eh?
Yeah, it's so good.
Like everyone still uses it.
Although a lot of people are saying Huda Beauty, like their translucent powders are cut. And they are very blurring.
Really?
Yeah. I need to purchase it again.
The other one that makeup artists use all the time on me is that by Terry.
Oh,
The
yeah.
hyaluronic acid in it.
Yeah.
Feels like you can feel it. It's like cold.
Oh,
Goes
wow.
on like cold. Yeah. It's bizarre.
I just love this one. It's just so good. Yeah, I'm gonna go in with the Chanel Les Beiges cream bronzer. I never know what color it is. People ask. Oh yeah, 390 Soleil Tan Bronze Universal. So nice. You still need to get some, but it's like always out of stock.
Very nice.
So natural. I love it. Make sure you dab, otherwise it'll just move all the foundation.
I struggle
look
with
wrong.
cream products,
Yeah.
but I feel like this isn't like, it's almost like a
Yeah, it's
pomade,
like-
but
yeah.
not, you know?
Yeah, it's like not slippery and like messy. You put it exactly where you want it and then blend it straight. Okay, I'm just gonna do a little bit on the lower lash line. I don't really like putting too much eyeshadow underneath there now. I don't know why.
Nah.
Kind of
I
like,
never, it like drags your face down.
yeah, no.
If it's
I
like
just put
all,
like the littlest bit
yeah.
up, just to come like tie it in and that's it.
No.
some online, yeah.
Imagine if I paid you to be my makeup artist. just on yourself. I forgot to put it on me actually. I'll just quickly do it now with the same brush. Pissing. Imagine that.
That's funny.
On your wedding day.
I feel like some clients I could. Like that I used to do all the time. They'd pierce and they wouldn't care.
Yeah, but like
yeah,
imagine not knowing you. Actually.
And when we used to like pack it on, did you?
I used to use the metals, like the cream.
Yeah, the Australis ones.
Yeah.
Yeah, I recently like went through my makeup case and I had 3 of them in there. And I'm
No,
like, I literally...
the pinky kind of one, eh? That was
No, I used the champagne one. Kind of similar to this colour.
Yeah.
But yeah, I just only put like the littlest bit.
And it used to get in my eye, but I didn't care. I just needed the bright in the corner.
Is it Pinkgasm? Yeah, Pinkgasm. Just on the high points.
Is it blush?
Yeah. I really like this highlighter from Christina Sikalis, new brand. It's really nice.
Who's that?
I'm just like some makeup artist from Melbourne, I think. Yeah. And then face out of the way.
Whoa.
It's really nice. Just on the top. Straight. Lipstick. This is just the Pillow Talk. Lipstick, very hygienic as well. And there's this makeup artist that I used to follow. She must like sanitize like
Cut
the
it off.
lipstick each time because she just
Put it on people.
yeah. It's still weird, don't you reckon?
Yeah, I think that's wrong.
What have I missed?
You didn't do any powder blush, but I don't think you're gonna do it anyway.
This is the Dior 001 Pink.
I don't think anything.
Anything you want me to add, change? You know what I feel like your brows are? Like very cool toned because of your tattoo from underneath.
Yeah.
Like you need a warmer like brow pencil or something because that one that I used,
Is that mine?
chocolate.
It's quite warm. Chocolate's a warm brown. But I would rather have like my brows this colour than
Really?
You know how some
Go
people's
back.
tattoos fade to like red? Have you seen that?
Yeah, but like I'm just saying like the tone of it, like your eyeshadow's warm and then your eyebrows are cool.
Mm.
Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, that's good, isn't it? Is that not good?
Whoa, I did good.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah, do some, setting spray.
She's been out of the game for a while, boys, but she's back on.
Okay, I'm using the Porefessional. Whoa, very nice. Open. Are your lashes pissing you off?
No, they're good. Can't even feel them. Forgot they were there.
Close.
Whoa.
Do you like
Give me a
it?
look. Well, I don't
Oh, yeah.
know. I can't see.
The big reveal. There you go.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, that's good. It looks like a filter. I like that lip colour.
Yeah, Pillow Talk.
I've not got it.
Yeah, you might get it.
Whoa, nice one.
Thanks.
Yeah. Oh yeah,
Yeah.
the lashes are good. Hey, you don't even know they're there. Set like this side. Very nice. I look good.
Thanks for watching. I might have to do more.
Yeah.
Get some more people and do more makeup
Yeah.
videos. But thanks for watching. We are off to go.
Gotta get changed. You're in pajamas? Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh no. Oh no. makeup.
It's always the case. Okay, bye guys. Thanks for watching.
Bye.